going to give us a nice, low, fast pass with a bit of smoke. Eddie Goggins! So that's just a little taste of what Eddie's going to bring you here later on. We just said we'd try and cheer you up. We know it's wet. The sun is out now, of course, but we all got wet earlier. So, we're going to find our pilots. This is quite difficult because they're all like kids and they run away. So I kind of have to get a rope, tie them onto me and bring them up the crowd line. So can we have all the pilots out here? You see, they've all run away. Mr. Miyagi, let's go. Come on, guys. It's time to work now. 2 for the price of 1.